transforming your travels, flights, and daily commutes into secure, temperature-controlled medical journeys without worrying about compromised medication. Efficacy usually means transitioning to an advanced, hybrid cooling medical storage system. The electric insulin cooler travel case, TSA-approved, plug-in permanent and 72H ice cooling hybrid system for 7 pens and peptide GLP-1. Redefines portable pharmaceutical protection by combining plug-in active cooling, high-capacity vacuum insulation, and intelligent thermal monitoring. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its dual-mode cooling architecture, offering electronic plug-in power alongside high-performance biogel backup cooling. Instead of struggling with melting ice packs or unpredictable ambient temperatures ruining expensive biological treatments, this system provides precise electronic temperature regulation combined with double-layer insulated stainless steel to keep sensitive medications safely chilled for up to 72 hours on backup ice, or indefinitely when plugged in. Performance and everyday versatility streamline airport security lines, cross-country road trips, and remote outdoor excursions. Outfitted with universal USB compatibility, the case plugs effortlessly into power banks, laptops, vehicle USB ports, or wall adapters. Day-to-day usability is super-aced by a real-time digital temperature display and built-in sensor probe, allowing you to monitor internal conditions instantly without opening the lid, an integrated temperature alarm function that alerts you if limits are breached, a spacious internal layout engineered to securely house up to 7 insulin pens or peptide GLP-1 supplies such as Mounjaro or Zepbound, and a rugged anti-collision structure designed to glide smoothly through TSA checkpoints. Things to consider before you buy power source dependency for active cooling. While the unit features robust passive biogel insulation that holds temperatures for up to 72 hours, utilizing active electronic cooling requires an ongoing external power source, such as a USB power bank or wall plug, during extended off-grid travel. Capacity versus footprint. Though expertly engineered to accommodate up to 7 pens or vials plus accessories, its protective cylindrical storage architecture means it takes up slightly more room than a basic soft pouch, requiring dedicated space in a backpack or carry-on. So, who is this really for? This hybrid electric medication cooler is an absolute home run for frequent flyers, business travelers, and daily commuters managing diabetes or peptide therapies who demand active digital temperature monitoring, multi-pen capacity, and hassle-free TSA compliance. If you are looking for an ultra-minimalist, non-electronic fabric pen pouch for a quick 1-hour errand, a simpler insulated case will better match your light travel needs. Is it worth the money? If you value precise digital temperature readouts, built-in safety alarms, dual plug-in and 72-hour biogel cooling modes, and a secure capacity for up to 7 pens built to protect expensive temperature-sensitive biologics on the move, it is a premier, life-simplifying investment for total peace of mind.